You're gonna like this recipe. Spicy smoked beef ribs with a peanut butter binder. And I'm gonna do it in a step-by-step video to show you all the important ingredients and the steps to follow. I'm also smoking sweet and savory ribs for another video. So at the end of this video, we're gonna have a taste test and see which one wins. Comment which rib recipe you think would be better. And out of all the comments, I'm gonna pick a few users and send them some food crazy swag. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do to these ribs to make them a little bit better is on the one side there's a membrane, and we're gonna take the knife and remove that by simply getting the knife underneath the membrane and just sliding it along and cutting it off. The first thing we need to do is we're gonna take the peanut butter and we're gonna mix up sriracha with it, and this is gonna be our binder. Then we're gonna take brown sugar and we're gonna add brown sugar to this. And then you're gonna mix this in thoroughly. So you take your binder and you work it into the rib. You spread it all around over it nice and evenly. Don't leave it too thick, a nice thin coat. And then after we do this to all these, we're gonna add spices. So we have the binder on there nice. We have it spread out, massaged in. It's a nice thin coat on that. Now it's time to put the spices on it. So I'm gonna put a generous amount of coarse salt. Well, a pretty good amount. And you can spread this out and roll them, but we have them on a pan that will catch all the spices, and then we'll roll that around after all the spices are on. We're gonna put it in a bag and we're gonna refrigerate it for about an hour. Black pepper, smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and onion powder. So now that we have all the spices on, we're just gonna make sure that they're coated completely around the rib. So you're gonna take a large bag and put them in. Then we're gonna put the rest of the spices in there and we're gonna refrigerate them for about an hour. So before you put the ribs in the fridge, start up your smoker and preheat this to 275. And I'll see you in about an hour. So I have the ribs out of the fridge. They're ready to put into the smoker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang the ribs and we're gonna insert these into the meat. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna hang these in the smoker. Ribs, they've been on 3 hours. I have wrapped these before in tinfoil to help keep the moisture in, but with all these spices and ingredients, I'm going to continue to leave this go at 275 for another 2 hours, and I'm not going to wrap them. They're going to be juicy and delicious, I can guarantee it. All right, so these bad boy beef ribs, they've been smoking for a little over 5 hours. They're definitely done. We're going to take them out. These are the spicy beef ribs with the peanut butter binder. Oh, how do them look? They look pretty tasty to me. These are the sweet and savory beef ribs. Look at them. Don't them look good? They look beautiful to me. They're definitely beautiful looking ribs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them cool down a bit, and then we're gonna do a taste test. I got my girls here. All right, so we're ready to do a taste test. Hit the subscribe, please. We have sweet and savory smoked beef ribs, and we have spicy beef ribs with peanut butter binder. And we're gonna do a taste test, and we're all gonna choose which one's best, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we got all the girls here
excited
to try it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut into them. I'm gonna cut some pieces up. Cut this Look at that. Let's turn it for the camera. You can see, oh look, you can see this beautiful smoke ring. Let's see if you can see that. Beautiful smoke ring. What we'll do is we'll cut this in pieces. 4.
It smells so good.
Awesome. Look at that. I get a beautiful smoke ring. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Cut this into pieces. Alright. You guys dig in. Come on in, dig in.
Holy. Okay, what one's this?
This one is the sweet and savory.
This one's good as... That's what it is.
Hard to beat that, yo.
Woo! Okay. The outside on that is crazy.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Here.
Like, insane.
Sweet.
It's so good.
Mm.
I'm a little nervous for this one, I'm not gonna lie. It's good.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe.
Leave a comment down below if you want to see more of us. This one is... I like this one better. Me too.
They're
That
both...
one- me 3.
You guys like this one the best? This one's secret.
Yeah. This one's really good too. It's super close. It tastes a little more meaty, which is somewhat good. Like it's a different.
Maybe hit a meatier piece.
That's a little. But it's good. Like I like the meat taste on that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll try it out. All right, so this one wins. Everybody have a good day, and don't forget to hit subscribe.